In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you've spent expense reports QuickBooks Online. We're going to build a clean, focused view of your spending using a built-in report, then tailor it so it shows only the expense transactions you care about. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and opening your company. From the left-hand navigation, head to the Reports section. This is your reporting hub, and it's where you'll find both summaries and detailed lists of your financial activity. In the search bar at the top of the Reports page, type Transaction Detail by account and open that report. This report lists individual transactions organized by the accounts they hit, which makes it perfect for drilling into what you've spent and where. Think of it as a detailed ledger you can slice and filter to answer specific questions. At the top right of the report, click Customize. Customization is where the report becomes truly useful, because you can narrow it down to just expense activity and adjust the time frame and fields to match your needs. In the Customization panel, open the Filters section. Filters control which transactions appear, so setting these correctly keeps the report accurate and easy to read. Find the transaction type filter. This tells QuickBooks which forms to include in the list. Choose expense for the transaction type. This focuses the report on transactions recorded using the expense form, which is commonly used for out-of-pocket purchases, debit card charges, and similar spending. If your workflow includes other forms, such as checks or bills, remember that those won't appear when only expense is selected. Keeping it to expense gives you a clean, consistent view of that specific method of spending. From here, you can make more adjustments to refine the report. Set the date range to the period you want to analyze, like this month, last month, or a custom start and end date. Consider adding columns such as payee, memo, or class to capture who you paid and why. If you track by customer or project, include the customer column so you can see expenses tied to specific jobs. You can also filter by vendor to review spending with a single supplier or by account to isolate certain expense categories. For readability, group by account or vendor and sort by date or amount so the most relevant entries float to the top. When you're done adjusting, apply the changes and review the results to confirm the totals and details align with your expectations. That's it. With a few targeted filters and thoughtful customization, you now have a clear, actionable view of what you've spent in QuickBooks Online.